Hello students, so this is a question from data structures and algorithm analysis and it's a 1 marks question. Okay, so let's read the question first. So what is the best guess time complexity of the below algorithm? Okay, so the algorithm is count a comma b comma n, where n is the input size, I starting from 0, so I is 0, sum is initialized to 0, while I is less than n, while I is less than n, we have to perform this operation. What is this operation? If ai is less than n, okay, if the value of the elements is less than the size of the array, then in that case for f starting from 0 to a of I, do sum equals to sum plus b of f. Okay, so where b is some function. Okay, so we have to find the best guess time complexity. Okay, so let's think of an array where we can execute or we can complete this algorithm in minimum time. Okay, if we take minimum, so we have to find a case. Okay, we have to find a case in which we can complete this algorithm in minimum amount of time, and then that case will be called as best case. Okay, so let's think of one. So let's check the condition here. So while I is less than n, do, so this loop will be executed n times, so that will take theta of n time. Okay, now inside that there is one condition, and inside that there is again one for loop. Okay, so let's think about this condition. This condition says that if the value is less than the length of the array. Okay, so if the value of the array, if the value at each index is less than n, in that case you go inside. Okay, so let's think of an array where the value is always greater than n. Okay, so let's take n equals to 5, and let's say my array elements are 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Okay, so this is my array A. Okay, so that means, so let's check this condition. If a of I is less than n, if 10 is less than 5, so that is incorrect. Similarly, for all other conditions, for all other elements, this condition will not be satisfied. That means for this array, for this particular array, a equals to this, my control will not go inside this loop. That means this algorithm can be executed in theta of n time. Okay, so that this is the case which is nothing but it is the best case, because the running time is minimum. So answer is option A, order of n. So that means if we consider any array which has all the elements greater than the length of the array, then that is the case where the best case occurs. Okay, and the answer will be theta of n. So theta of n is the best case. Thank you.